Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy and sell or trade meme coins on the Alephium network using some of the DeFi ecosystems within Alephium. So kind of like how you have any other DeFi exchange in any other coins, is going to be the same type of tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to navigate around if you're new to Alephium and the whole ecosystem of meme coins. Now, I don't necessarily talk about meme coins on this channel, but I thought I'd make some tutorials because I've seen, some people on Twitter getting into meme coins, and I think Alephium might be that next wave, so this tutorial's for you guys. So to start off in this video, just saying there are kind of two exchanges that I would recommend currently, and that is Ayin and Alephium Finance. So Alephium is a newer one than Ayin. Ayin has a lot more to offer in terms of the amount of coins on there, but Alephium is kind of basically the same thing, and you can trade basically the top meme coins on there, but you can trade a lot more on the Ayin swap one, so that's what we're going to be using today. Now, if I was to compare this to other DeFi ecosystems, I guess, this is kind of like the Uniswap of the Alephium ecosystem, and this is kind of the Pancake swap, I guess, just in terms of how long they were made. So you can use any of these. As I said, this one has less, but you could also use any of them down here. I haven't actually used anything but these two. But there are a bunch of decentralized exchanges that you can use here. There's a decentralized NFT marketplace. There's Alpbank, which is kind of a bit different to an exchange. Alphpad, same thing, a bit different. And I'll probably be making videos on these as time goes on. But let's get into the video on how you can trade meme coins or buy and sell them on the Alephium network. So firstly, if you type in Ayin swap, it's going to take you to this page. You can go to the classic Ayin, so this has way more features. This is classic.ayin.app and /swap. But there is a beta version which works kind of the same way, and you don't lose any coins or whatever. So it's fully functional in terms of like swapping and stuff like that. They're just reworking some of the back end stuff to get more data through it. And this is going to be mainly in the future what you're going to be looking at. So this is why I'm doing it on this video. And straight away, once you click into connect to the beta, you're already going to be on the home page where you can actually swap Alephium into Ayin coin. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is get yourself some Alephium, and you can get this off a myriad of exchanges: ZegX, MEXC, Gate.io, and a bunch of other ones, but I would recommend ZegX. And I'm not sponsored by any of these exchanges, but that's just where you can get them. As you can see here, there are a lot more other than ZegX. Gate.io and MEXC, there's CoinEx, Uniswap v3, Biconomy, BitGet, Ayin, obviously that's where you can actually get it from, CoinEx and a bunch of others. Now, you can get it through the Ethereum/BSC bridge, technically. If you use BSC or Ethereum, you can bridge it through. So you can click in here, and at the top of the page it says bridge. And that basically is the underlying bridge from Ethereum or from BSC that you can actually select. So you could select Binance Smart Chain here, and then you could select Alephium, and then connect wallets and transfer in. But as I said, you're probably best getting it off an exchange, like one of these listed by here. So now, once you have your Alephium loaded up, you actually need to connect your wallet. So you click connect wallet, and it is going to either ask you for the extension or the desktop, or you can go on Wallet Connect here, so you can connect through your phone technically. But today we're going to just use desktop, and it should pull up our wallet as we see now. So once you're in your wallet, you just have to click accept, as you can see here, and then it's going to connect your wallet up at the top there. So we don't have anything right now, but we can swap if we want to. So we have our Alephium here, and then we can just basically pick whatever coin that we want. Now, I'm not going to recommend any meme coins necessarily, but the ones that are most popular, I think, are currently this Wang coin, and then a bunch of other ones, like if we keep scrolling down here, 404, Gold Castle, there's some more as well, Chengis, Alphpad, so that's technically not a meme coin, but it's I'd say a utility coin. But you can get into the ecosystem very quickly. You can see there's a lot of coins that you can choose from here, kind of like how you see, as I said before, on Pump Fun, it just lists out a bunch of coins, and there are more being added every day. This also opens you up to, as I said, the kind of whole ecosystem. So you have wrapped BNB right there, you have wrapped Wang coin, and then you have the Alephium, which is the token of the other exchange as well. So a very close-knit ecosystem, which has a lot of coins that you can buy as well, as you can see there. So you just want to go ahead and pick one. So today, let's just search Alephium, because I've been kind of looking at that lately. So you have Alephium as your top coin, and then Alephium as the second coin. Let's just trade one Alephium. So you can set your slippage here if you want to. We're just going to keep it on 0.5. You can also add liquidity into these, which we'll show you later on. However, you can just put swap there. So click swap, and then it's going to make you sign it within your wallet. So you click into your wallet and you click send, and then it's going to send out into the app, and then it's going to return it back to you into the wallet. So we can go down here and you can see, as this is loading, transactions from the blockchain, the app operation, you sent Alephium for Alephium. 1 Alephium gives you 5 Alephium. And you can also view it in your wallet here. So we have this Wancoin, Alphpad, Gold Castle Club, which is technically 0, Alephium X, and Alephium, and then some V Alephium, which is technically, I think, the liquidity pool token. So you can see how it's displayed in your wallet there, and you can see the transaction there if you want to. So we've made a bunch of swaps here. If we go to transactions, a bunch of swaps for Alephium, Alephium, Alphpad, and Wang. This was kind of testing it out a couple days ago, just to make sure everything went through. So once you've done that, you can basically pick whichever coin you want. And then if you want to check on the price of these coins as they're going up and down, I recommend going over to analytics here. Scroll down and this should actually load up here. So currently I can't get the tokens to actually show up, so we're just going to click right now on the pools. So you can see ALF to AN, USDT to ALF, USDC to ALF, and then wrapped Ethereum to Alephium, Alphpad to Alephium. So you can actually add into these if you really want to. You can click in here, I believe, and then you can swap or add liquidity here. So it's a very different thing to add liquidity than just go on there, but let's go into the pools. So it kind of gives you the combined APR over time. Alephium has kind of dropped dramatically. If we click into this, you can see combined TLV and then volume. I don't know, maybe it's because the beta is not showing all the features currently, but we could go back. You can only add liquidity into certain ones at the current time, so you have to create your own pool if you want to add liquidity into a certain pool. If we go over to analytics again and try to get this to load, so it's not showing it here, but let's try go onto classic AN, and then hopefully we can actually see. So stats. So here we go. We have USDT to ALF. We have, a bunch of these coins to ALF. Volume. I don't know if it's displaying this properly. Week or month. So there we go. You have a certain amount of ALF, and then you can work out the price against ALF. And as you can see, as we go down, there's a lot of coins down there that you can lock liquidity into. One of the main ones being these USDC or USDT, and then wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped Ethereum. So that's mainly how you do it. It's the same process with Alephium Finance. If you want to actually use that as well, we can just click in here, enter app, and then connect your wallet at the top. It's going to ask you to sign it, so we can click connect and Alephium wallet here. Open Alephium wallet, accept, and that gets us straight in. We can just swap this, so we can swap ALF for anything that they have here. As you can see, they've got a list by there, and then maybe we can actually see the price of things if we go on liquidity. No, so it doesn't currently show the price of anything right now, but I'm sure over time AN will start to see all that. So there is a bunch of other features that you can use on these decentralized exchanges, such as lock, vote, and then bribe. So there's a bunch of features, but I'm going to let you all explore that. You can trade stake liquidity XAN, which is kind of just on top of the AN coin. Pounder, which is compounding interest on it. These are the main ones on here, and then Alephium Finance, you've got liquidity, lock, vote, and bribe, obviously swap as well. So you can see a small majority of the whole ecosystem is on these decentralized exchanges. So 5 million in total provided liquidity, which is pretty good for a coin Alephium size, and it's just going to keep growing over time. So if you're having any trouble trying to buy these coins, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more content like this.